course, all the people and all the groups. It was very masipag. And sila may dahilan kung bakit natuloy itong show na to. Of course, to our baby 1Z Entertainment. Thank you so much. Make some noise for 1Z Entertainment 18. And of course, our Singapore producers, DLM Inventive. Thank you so much. Noble Life. And of course, Miss Babes Conde. Thank you so much po, Miss Babes. Thank you so much for making this concert possible. Nabuo po natin at nakompleto, na sold out ang venue natin tonight. Kaya maraming salamat, 18. Woo!
Yes, and syempre, gusto rin namin pasalamatan ang pinakamamahal nating sponsor.
Sponsors!
Yes, una-una po ang ating co-presenters, Urban Green Technical Services. Yes, thank you po.
Thank you!
And syempre,